Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by opening YouTube Studio and going straight to Creator Music so you can pick licensed tracks legally. Once in, make sure you're signed into the correct creator account and that monetization settings are allowed. This determines which tracks and licenses you can use. You'll see filters immediately: genre, mood, length, so narrow options now to save time. This first step unlocks the library and shows usage terms, which is why you do it before downloading or applying any music to a video. Now you choose and license a track. Start by filtering for genre, mood, and exact duration to match your edit. This reduces back and forth. Preview multiple clips and listen for where you'll cut or loop. The preview shows real timing. When you pick one, read the license. Free, paid, or revenue share affects monetization and claims. Then click License or Add to Project. That action binds the license to your video and creates metadata, so YouTube can track rights automatically. Finally, apply the track in the YouTube editor and position it where you want. Adjust volume levels and use ducking so dialogue stays clear. Once you're happy, publish with the license metadata attached. YouTube will manage claims based on that info. After publishing, monitor the Copyright/Claims tab for any automated issues. If something goes wrong, relicense the track, switch to a different license, or contact YouTube support, and keep proof of purchase or receipts handy to resolve disputes.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.